Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to connect to the Play wallet to the MIR4. It's easy to get this connection done. The first step you need to take is make sure your Play wallet has been configured. This is the Play wallet over here. So once you select the Play wallet, make sure your account is here and you've done your configuration and installed the app properly. Once that's done, minimize and open up your browser. Once you've opened up your browser, log on to wemixplay.com. Once there, you'd meet the list of popular games, as we have MIR4, MIRM, and DECRONG. So all you need to do is simply click on MIR4. Once you've selected MIR4, your next step would be to simply click on the Connect Wallet option at the top of the screen. So all you need to do now is click Connect Wallet. Once Connect Wallet has been placed, click on Play Wallet Connection, which is just down here. Once you've selected Play Wallet, tap on the Play Wallet itself, click on Just Once, and then your Play Wallet opens up and requesting data from Wemix Play. So now all you need to do is simply approve of this connection. And once you've clicked on it, it says here verification successful. So click on OK, agree to the terms of service, and click on agree. And once you've done this, simply head over to the browser option again. Simply head over to your browser. And once on your browser, agree to all of this. But please make sure you take your time to read the terms of service and the privacy policy. Once that's been read, click on continue. And you'd find that your wallet has been successfully connected. As you can see here, your wallet has been connected. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.